I'm Robin Moore, the owner and farmer of Mycoplanet, an urban mushroom farm, and we're going to go over our grow-at-home mushroom kits for people to grow mushrooms at home. So, when you receive the box from us, inside will be the instructions as well as a spray bottle, and what it will look like when you open is a mushroom bag. And we do 3 varieties, the blue oyster, lion's mane, and the Italian oyster right now. You'll take the bag out of the box. You'll set it on a table or a countertop. The only requirement is that it does not get direct sunlight. You will make 2 cuts in the lion's mane, 1 across the top and 1 across the bottom, about 4 inches across on each. If you have the blue oyster, you will do a cut as an X right across the front of the bag. Make sure to fold the top of the bag down and press out any air. You will spray the bag a couple times a day with water right on the cuts that you have made to keep up the humidity so the mushrooms can grow. And in 7 to 14 days, you will have mushrooms ready to harvest. And you will let the block rest a few days and then continue to spray more, and you will get a second harvest out of your block. When it's completely spent, you can put it in your garden or your compost bin or just spread it on the soil. So here is an oyster block that was started 4 days ago. So this is the pin set you can see. They're still small, they have a lot of color, and in just about 4 to 5 days, those oyster pens will mature and you will be ready to harvest. So when your caps start to turn up, your oysters are ready to harvest. To harvest the oyster mushrooms, get under the caps and at the base, and you gently lift up and twist, and they come off the block like that. And just keep going around until you have all of them. Yeah. With your lion's mane, they will look like this. This is about a 5 days growth. In about another 5 days, these will be ready to harvest. They will be a lot bigger, and you can once again get under and just twist and pull them off the block. Inside the box will be the mushroom grow kit instructions, and you can just open that up. And there's a few mushroom facts if you would like to know more about mushrooms. If you are watching this video and interested in buying a grow kit from us, you can go to our website, or if you're in the North Kansas City area, we do curbside pickup or local delivery. You can also find us at multiple farmers markets, the Parkville Market or the City Market, and pick up your grow kit. Thank you.